Oh, good morning. Hello. Oh, I think I'm going to put this on too. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Is anybody here? Live, live, live. Where's live? Oh, live. Oh, okay. Good morning. How are you guys? I'm back. Well, sort of back. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to need some space. Hi again. I got it. I'm done. Did you guys finish? Good morning, Instagram. I'm here. So, I can't wait to show you. I'm gonna move everything. I didn't even use just like 3 basic things this morning. So if y'all are not members of your Artful Journey, we just got done. We just got done with a very simple, wasn't it simple? I gotta wipe my hands. I got black marker all over it. All right, we just finished a very simple morning medication. Same thing. I'm going to share mine. It's done. I'm not going to I told you, I'm going to keep it simple. I think I was done in like less than 20 minutes after. So that's the purpose. Call it done. Do it a day. It's it. This is it. Okay, I can get rid of all of this stuff. So I will be sharing this with my members. It was simple but wonderful. Yes, good. Okay, good. You like it. We use very simple, minimal supplies this morning. I'm cleaning up and acting as if there were way more, but there was nothing to it. All right. So happy Friday, you guys. I did make a mess, but the good news is I didn't stick my paintbrush in my teacup. I just noticed though, this is gonna bug me. This is gonna bug me. Okay, sorry, I am done. Sometimes when you step away from your art, though, you realize there's something you didn't do. Thank you. How easy was this? This is what my members did this morning on morning meditation. I cannot wait to see your artwork. I will photograph mine and share it with you guys. And I also recorded the last half of it. I made a pot of tea this morning that I'm drinking from, and it's still hot because I had it in a teapot. And I didn't use my paint, my teacup, as the brush cleaner. So that's good news. All positive. And I'm dressed with makeup on, and I'm working from home. So, all right. So happy Friday. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. I feel a little bit lighter in my spirit for some reason today. I think it's because I woke up and put 50s music on in my studio and was dancing by myself. So you're probably wondering what this is. Me too. Quite honestly, I am too. So I'm going to... I need a knife. So I have recently been working with Hahenmuhle, which makes beautiful art journals and papers. I gotta watch that. If you guys have missed it, this is what I was working on with Jelly Arts and Hahenmuhle together. So they asked if they could send me some things. And this got here last night. I don't normally do good with leaving stuff unwrapped. In fact, I am the kid who used to unwrap her Christmas presents very carefully, and then I would retape them, so my mom did not know. Is that bad? Ooh. Oh my God! Look at this! I got zigzag books in it. Oh, look at this! This is like a zigzag book for a dollhouse. Oh, okay, look at this. These, if you guys don't know what the zigzag book is, thank you, Hahenmuhle. This is a zigzag book. See? And it's, whoops, and it's indestructible as well. This is a zigzag book. It closes up and it just binds. Isn't that nifty? See, it closes all up. I didn't even know. I don't even know what size this is. Can you imagine me doing this? And it's watercolor paper. I don't know the size. I need my reading glasses. Okay, it's 2 inches by 2 inches. 2 inches by 2 inches. Okay, that's funny. I am so blind. Okay, 5.5 inches by 5.5 inches. Who says size doesn't matter? Okay, this is what I have, 4.1 inches by 5.8. I am excited because these are big. You know what? Oh my God, these are bigger. This is bigger, 5.8 by 8.3. Okay. All right, you guys. Hi, do you need a pocket full of happiness? Oh wait, that sounds dirty. Forget it. Yeah, what man is, yeah. Okay, sorry. Sorry, Mom. Sorry, Mom, when you watch this on Instagram. You know me. I don't know what's in this. But I feel like I shouldn't be cutting the knife toward me. Okay. I'm going to put this away. Love Christmas. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, oh, I think my phone is ringing. Oh well. A sketchbook. Okay. Guess whose ideas are going into sketchbooks? They make paper. Oh, I was hoping for these. Oh, I'm going to open these. These are tins full of watercolor postcards. Oh my God. Okay, I've never really done an unboxing. I think I'm supposed to be doing more of this. I don't think I'm supposed to be doing that. I'll open that up. This is a craft sketchbook journal, and it's craft paper. Do you know what this is going to be used with? My white pen. My white pen. Oh my God. Okay. I don't think this is how an unboxing goes, but I've never done one and I've never watched one. So. Okay. Oh, wait. I need a booster. Hold on. Watercolor flippin' paper that is large. See, size does matter. Watercolor paper. Okay. This is watercolor paper. How did you guys know? Hahenmuhle, you have just made my life really happy. And I'm going to open the postcards thing because I want to look in it. It's a tin can full of postcards. This is like Christmas, only I'm the mom and I normally get the gifts for everybody and don't really unwrap gifts. So, yes, I used to unwrap all the presents in the attic and then I'd wrap them back up. So my mom is really not happy with that performance. But these are postcards. Do you guys know how much I love postcards? I love postcards. In fact, I'm making postcards live for Art Supply Warehouse. Look at this. I love postcards. I need to mail them though, but I would love a personal shopper. Okay, how did they know? Every size fits me. Even with my COVID pounds, every size of this paper fits me. Yeah, so these are postcards that I made and painted. So, all right. Do you ever just want to look at this? They're postcards. Bet you there's, oh, I was like, oh, there's lots of them. There are a lot of them. There are a lot of postcards. I don't even have this many friends. These are thank you postcards for everybody who orders something from me. I don't know how many are in here. It feels like 2,000. A lot. I don't know how many are in here. That can't be right. No, that can't be right. Okay, there's a lot in here. I guess I have to do a postcard exchange. Okay, I'm going to put them back right where the way they were. All right. So that, I guess, is that how you do an unboxing? I did. I hit the jackpot. Hahenmuhle, thank you. Thank you for knowing exactly what makes my heart sing and what I needed in order to make my heart sing just a little bit more. Oh, yes. April, I will do that. I will repost. I tagged them on Facebook. Because of your Artful Journey classes, I drew and watercolor paper a greeting card and sent it to my aunt in Texas, and she loved it. She said she cannot wait for more. By the way, and I'm going to say a thank you to my, she's not watching this, but I'm going to do this anyway because speaking of postcards, okay. Norma, if you are Norma, I'm going to go tag you in this. Norma, I am the world's worst at mailing anything out, but I do need to send a postcard. So I want to say thank you to my Aunt Norma, who's not really my aunt. She sends me postcards. They go camping, and she sends them throughout Michigan. This is in Ludington, or that's the SS Ludington. Sorry, it's not in Ludington, but it is in Ludington, Michigan. Okay. I've been to Ludington. But she sends me postcards. I lost my aunt over a year ago, and this was her best friend that I had met at my grandmother's funeral. And she was like my rock, my hold my hand kind of person. And so she sends me postcards, and she always addresses them Callie Sally, because we call each other Mustang Sally. So Norma, I need to send you something, and probably just need to send you like a pocket zigzag book. So she sends me postcards, and it makes me feel really special because one thing is her handwriting looks like my aunt's. The art of cursive has gone away, and I love that if you still write in cursive, I don't even know that kids of today could read cursive. But she makes me feel super special, and all through her camping season, she used to send postcards to my aunt wherever they were at and wherever they traveled. And so when my aunt passed away, she started mailing postcards to me. So to my Aunt Norma, thank you very much, because these little things all get hung up on my mirror in the morning. I look at them. And I just got another one, and I'm remiss because I don't ever mail anything. So thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So what's happening in the studio? Not much. I need to tag Norma, though. I need to like share this with her. So if you guys are not sending pieces of mail, I do highly recommend. The other thing I've done is thank you cards. Look at these little thank you cards. Remember I did these for Jelly Arts? These took minutes. They don't take a long time. This is a great way to share your art and share who you are. I mean, look at mine, they even say handmade by Tracy Weinzapfel Studios. So it should be say hand painted, but aren't they pretty? Okay, so I'm going to mail, when I'm done here, I'm going to make one of these cards out and send it to Norma. Sorry, Norma, if you're watching that, check your mail soon. It's like a commitment. Me and mail don't get along. Are you Okay, Hitomi just asked me if I'm remodeling another room. Ever since my son moved out and my daughter is in college, all of my kids are off to college, I have taken on more remodeling projects than one should do. Started with my daughter's bedroom. I've done the laundry room. I've done my closet. I'm out of money. I am completely out of money. So I am done remodeling things. Although, Hitomi, I want to repaint my kitchen cabinets. So then what happens if I paint the kitchen cabinets is I'm going to have to repaint the whole house. But stay tuned. That's going to be a winter project. Pam asked me, did I find my credit card that I lost a week ago last Wednesday? The answer is yes. I left it at the post office. I watched my credit card all weekend. No activity was on it. I thought back to where I might have left it. The post office was closed on Monday. Thank you guys for telling me that. And on Tuesday, I called and they had my credit card. So crisis was averted. I know now that I cannot multitask. I cannot carry 2 stamps. See, this is what happens. I told you, I don't like the post office. Thank God I could mail my ballot in and it didn't require a stamp. But yes, some honest Abe took it out of the machine and handed it in, and nobody used my credit card, and I didn't have to cancel it. So I've learned a lesson. No car keys, 2 stamps, and holding my card at the same time. I either dropped it on the ground or I just flat out left it on the machine. And I remember I was talking on the phone. So actually, no, I wasn't talking on the phone. I got off the phone with my mother, and then I got back in the car and called her right back. So I was like, I don't like to talk with my mask on and everything. So can you buy these? I will get you a link for these postcards. I will get you a link. I will get you a link. And they sent me, literally, I could probably mail every single person who likes my Facebook page a postcard. And, one other thing before I go anywhere is, somebody just said, it's the 50s issue. I don't multitask well, and I know that. If you go to Your Artful Journey, in fact, I'm going to just post, I guess I can't post the link. I don't know why. I think I'm broadcasting on my Facebook page. I'm on the wrong page. That's why. You guys, I did an unboxing on the wrong page. I'll have to share this on my Facebook page. Sorry. You guys are all members. Doesn't matter. Forget it. That's how it's going this morning for me. Okay, so I want to thank Hahenmuhle for sending this to me. I totally made a mistake, and I'm going to jump over on my Facebook page now and just make sure I do the recording over there. Forgetful I am. But this is just good because I'm talking to you guys. Okay. Sorry, Pam. I know. You know what? Hahenmuhle is probably looking for me right now. All right. Well, I totally unboxed this, and I'll go back over to my Facebook page now. All right, kids. I'm going to say goodbye because in 6 seconds you can go see me over there. But there's nothing new to report. You can stay on Instagram. I'm just going to talk about what I did. I'm sorry, Donna. Okay, here I go. I will go over there now. Sorry. This will go on my YouTube channel. See you in a minute.